Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable advertising or ads in Windows 10. Click File Explorer. Click File. Click Change Folder and Search Options. Click View tab. Uncheck Show Sync Provider Notifications. Click Apply, OK. Second step is click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Start. Turn off Show suggestions occasionally in Start. Third step is click System. Click Notifications and Actions. Turn off Show Notifications on the lock screen. Turn off Show Me the Windows Welcome Experience. Turn off Get Tips, Tricks and Suggestions. Turn off Get Notifications from apps and other senders. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.